Wow, what is this?
Okay, so I'm just gonna leave the camera right over here. Fun, Elaine, read this. You're in for a good adventure.
Tail-to-tail relay tour. Miss Elaine Powell, you have been selected as the third runner on the LgEnOsolution Michigan Relay Tour. What company you go to? What do you put into the self-cam? Then find the next runner, hand off the camera. Next runner, assembly technology engineer Jung Woocheol. Oh, okay. Here we go. First on our run is our training coordinators, production coordinators. We're gonna talk to our training coordinator first, Sue. We're checking on our training today, see how things are going. What are you working on there, Sue?
Working on the alert status right now, but trying to copy and paste some stuff. Looks like we are out of room.
Having technical difficulties.
Yeah, might be another IT thing here.
Looks like you're working on the alerts for the weekly training for all of our operators.
Yes.
Good luck with that, Sue. So next we're gonna check on our production coordinator and see how things are going for today. Actually, we have two, but we're gonna check on the first one first.
Hello.
Hi, Cassie. What you working on there?
I'm counting our consumables so that I can purchase whatever we need.
Wow.
This is one of our cabinets with our office consumables in here.
So you're doing office supply consumables
Yeah.
inventory?
Yep.
Good luck. So that was our first coordinator. We're gonna check on our second production coordinator and see what she's up to for today. What are you working on there?
I'm working on the digital OJT book and editing.
Wow. Got a lot of things to do?
Yes, very much.
What part of the book are you working on?
Subtitles for now.
Just getting started?
Just getting started.
Good luck. I see you working on some other stuff over there too. What you got up on your screen there?
I've got some QR codes that are condensed.
Hopefully we can get those out on the floor monitors today and see how those work out for all of our team. See you later, Maya.
See you.
Now we're done with checking on the coordinators. Now we're gonna check on an operator training and see how things are going. Hey Bob, how's it going there? What are you working on?
I'm reading work instructions for machine startup, line 1, folding.
Well, I'm glad you're reading those work instructions. You're really gonna need it out there on the floor.
Yeah, thank you.
Make sure you sign off on all those OJTs you got for that.
Okay.
See you later. Here we go. We're gonna head out to our simulator and see how things are going out there. And see and check on our operators. Make sure that everything is going well on the simulator training. How's it going there, Victoria?
Good.
I see you working on that simulator.
Yeah.
Simulator is used for our Building 2 technology in training. See you later, Victoria. Now we're gonna head out to the dry room to check out some things out there and see how things are going on the floor. So we're gonna cut back through the assembly engineer office, pass through our hallway floor, and now we're going to suit up to go out to the dry room floor. Here we go. We're gonna suit up and head out to the drive room floor to check out some things out there. Thing first, we're gonna put our suit on, get our safety glasses on, get our hair in our hat. Get our mask on. All done. Heading out now. All right, we're gonna head out to the floor. First, we gotta go through the air shower. Here we go. We're gonna run through the air shower, dust off all the debris from our suit and our shoes and the sticky bag down there. So we're gonna cut through here. This is our back dry area. It connects our air shower to the assembly entranceway. Getting ready to enter into the assembly area. We're gonna slide through the double doors here. Gotta wait for the red light to go off. discard our mask for the day and take off our PPE. Now that we're done removing all our PPE for the day, we're gonna head to my desk. So it's for the end of the day, we are done. And that is my job as an admin supervisor here at Lg에너지솔루션. Now we're gonna hand off to the next runner. Here we go. Looky here. Well, hello there. I have a gift for you, surprise.
I'm nervous.
You are our final runner for today. Good luck. See you later.
What is this? Let me check. So, wow, looks like I'm an interviewer. So, 정우철님, 당신은 에너지솔루션 미시간 릴레이 투어의 마지막 주자로 선정되었습니다. 당신이 다니는 회사, 당신이 하는 일을 이 셀프캠에 담아주세요. 그리고 제작진에게 카메라를 넘겨주세요. 안녕하세요. 저는 Lg에너지솔루션 라미 폴딩 파트에서 라미를 맡고 있는 정우철 사원입니다. 브래드라는 동료랑 같이 얘기하고 있었는데요. 브래드에게도 카메라 넘겨서 한번 자기소개 한번 해볼까요? Yeah. You introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Brad Dodinga. I work with Woocheol here at Assembly, or ESMI, in the Assembly production area. We're both part of Lamy Folding, and right now we're just taking a break, talking about just hobbies and things, taking a break from the line.
네, 아마 이제 저희가 휴식을 다 해서 이제 아마 현장 사무실로 돌아가 보도록 하겠습니다. So we might go back to office.
Okay.
I'm nervous.
Very nervous.
Yeah. Could you open that? Yeah. 제가 좀 해야 되는 게 있어서 일단 업무 잠깐만 보도록 할게요. 네, 그럼 저는 퇴근 전에 현장 한번 확인해 보도록 하겠습니다. 네, 현장으로 이동할게요. 네, 제가 주로 맡고 있는 라미네이션 공정 설비로 이동하겠습니다. 라미네이션 공정은 노팅에서 넘어온 노치드 팬케이크를 받아서 바이셀로 만드는 과정이고요. 지금 해당 작업자가 있기 때문에 제가 평상시 하던 대로 한번 오늘 설비 어땠는지 한번 물어보도록 하겠습니다. Hi Dave.
Hello.
Is it okay to take a video
Yeah.
with you?
Yeah.
Okay, how's the day today?
It was a good day today. I didn't have no real issues. Ran out of magazines a couple of times. But other than that, it was a good productive day.
Okay, that sounds good. You're off tomorrow, right?
Yes, tomorrow's my day off.
Do you have any plans tomorrow or no?
Visit my grandchildren.
Oh, that sounds good.
Yeah.
Have a good day. That'll
Yeah,
good.
thanks. You too.
네, 아마 오늘 설비 이슈가 없었기 때문에 저는 사무실로 돌아가서 퇴근 준비하면 될 것 같습니다. 네, 항상 퇴근하는 길이 제일 좋죠. 저는 제일 설렙니다, 이 순간이. 제가 원래 퇴근하고 운동을 하는데 오늘은 제가 월요일이라서 피곤해서 안 할 것 같은데 그래도 한번 소개시켜 드리도록 하겠습니다. 여기가 제가 보통 평상시 운동하는 공간인데 뭐 간단하게 권투 칠 수 있는 백도 있고 보면 간단한 웨이트들 있고요. 또 보면 지금 유산소 하고 있는 친구도 있네요. 평상시엔 운동을 하는데 오늘은 운동하는 것보다 바깥 외관들 소개시켜 드리도록 하겠습니다. 잠깐만요. 카드를 찍고. 네, 제가 퇴근하면 제가 좋아하는 장소가 있습니다. 바로 분수와 꽃이 있는 스팟인데요. 제가 일을 하는 도중에 잠깐 나와서 머리를 식힐 수 있는 좋은 장소라고 생각합니다, 저는. 그리고 여기 반대편을 돌아보시면 저희 LG에너지솔루션이 배터리를 만드는 회사답게 많은 전기차랑 전기차 충전소를 보실 수 있습니다. 네, 그럼 저는 이제 오늘의 마지막 장소로 이동해 보도록 하겠습니다. 같이 이동해 보시죠. 이제 마지막 장소에 도착했습니다. 저희 회사의 로고가 가장 잘 보이는 장소거든요. 한번 로고 한번 보여드리도록 할게요. 회사 로고입니다. 릴레이 브이로그 마지막 주자로서 이렇게 인터뷰를 할 수 있게 돼서 영광이었고요. 생각보다 많은 내용을 전달하지 못한 것 같아서 좀 아쉽긴 한 것 같습니다. 혹시라도 미시건 공장에 오시게 되면은 저를 찾아주시면 같이 뭐 밥이라도 함께 할 수 있었으면 좋겠습니다. 그러면 저는 이만 물러가도록 하겠습니다. 안녕. 저희 회사에 재밌는 게 하나 있는데, 여기 토네이도 쉘터라고, 토네이도가 일어나면 여기로 대피하면 할 수 있다고 토네이도 쉘터라고 합니다. 네.